Hi everyone, so welcome back to the another tutorial of eye makeup series, and today I will teach you the half cut crease from the eyeshadow brown. And you can reverse the video, see which color I have taken from the palette. You can be pretty all set, and with the help of big blending brush going to apply the transition shade over the eyelid. You can see the complete process how I am applying it. In today's tutorial, you will get the complete idea about how to put the cut in the eye makeup. Now moving on next, we are going to take in the darkest brown, the brown color of eyeshadow from the palette UCANBE, and applying it with the help of mini blending brush, small blending brush in the direction of V or inward direction. Now going to take in the bigger blending brush, the medium kind of, and with the help of this brush going to blend this eyeshadow in circular movement or in inward direction. The key point to blending any type of eyeshadow is how far you hold your brush and how lightly you rotate your brush, how lightly you blend your brush. So basically the technique matters. If you want to know by emotions, so let me tell you, if you want to do the best eye makeup, then feel it or be patient, because eyeshadow is a type of makeup which build with time. You have to be little bit patient with eyeshadow makeup. So this is how you need to create the partial smoky kind of effect as like the before eye makeup you see in the last tutorial, and we are blending it over the crease line of the eye. Now taking the darkest brown eyeshadow and with the help of smudge brush apply it to the outer edges of the eye to give in the more depthness to the color, and blending it over the crease line because we need to show the cut. If your crease line is dark, then your cut will pop out. You can see. Now taking the blending brush to blend it naturally, blending your eyeshadow with a very soft hand or in circular movement. You can see how beautifully it turns out. Make it natural as much as you can. You can see how natural it looks. Now take in the concealer from the brand Forever 52 with the shade number C0V001, and with the help of concealer brush from Pro Art, applying the guideline and tell the client to see the terrace. Again, tell the client to see the terrace, and this is how you got the guideline. Now, after getting the guideline connected, make a cut with the help of concealer brush from the brand Pro Art. Be very focused and careful when you apply the cut over the eyelid. Giving the finishing. Be patient with your journey. Trust your work. One day you will be able to do any type of makeup. So just be consistent and learn with us. Now take in the transition shade to lock the conceal. Again, taking the blending brush with the brown same eyeshadow, we need to blur out the crease line and trying to create the partial smoky kind of effect with blurring the lines. As you can see, how beautifully it turns out. This is how you need to do your eye makeup with uh, patience or the consistency. Once you create the natural effect, once you blur out the line, then moving on next, we have to apply the liner. See how beautifully it comes out. Now taken the copper golden eyeshadow from the palette. It's a pressed form of glitter eyeshadow from the palette Pretty All Set. You can be. And now going to take in the metallic glitter, liquid glitter from the brand Charm Walk Beauty. Here you can see the metallic gold glitter. It gives you the very natural kind of gold effect. You can use this eye makeup for your bridal eye makeup. It's it's a very trendy and one to go eye makeup for bridal. Now blur out the line. So moving on next, applying the liner with the help of liner brush. And the liner I have used is Krylon ka cake liner. Create a wing. Tell client to open the eye. Draw a straight line. Connecting it. Then giving finishing to it. Now you can see the look after the lashes. Moving on next, going to do the under eye smudging, and for this I have taken Forever 52 cut gel liner with the shade number GT001, and with the same eyeshadow, the brown one, and with the help of smudging brush going to smudge it. The same eyeshadow you use for on your lid. See how beautifully it connected with the upper eye makeup. See how beautiful the cut visible and the under eye smudging. After under eye smudging, applying the mascara to the lower lashes, and the brand I am using is Maybelline ka mascara. So here is the final look you can see. So moving on next, we'll teach you another one. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you. So we'll meet in next tutorial then. You can see the final look.